long shisha ka sngi ke bakrau bat ka bakmen na ka banta ki nong panya ki khna bat ki khon samla pule jong ka St. Michael's Higher Secondary School ha ka ba hadien ka jingya lenti ka ban nadu usnam khandai spa andre puwei tat ka ba hadu manta usnam arajar arpuwei kane ka school kala kanjo shau maumer uban reposnam ha ka ba manta ka sngi ka arkhandai tarik ulber arajar arpuwei kalayo ban ple perdano ya ka lempung na ka banta ban rakhi ya ka Diamond Jubilee kabanya menta baro shisnam ya gane ga Jing rakhe Diamond Jubilee on sapen kut bat penha perda khaddu hau benai leber jong usnam arajar arpuar lawan ban ple perda ya gane ga lempung dagi nong mi khmat jong ka umsning constituency ke bakan thop yu MLA jong ka umsning constituency ba Jason S Maulong kumu kongsan ba di MDC jong ka umsning constituency ikong Magdalene Saukme Maulong kum isembut kongsan harengkat ka jingi don lang ki rirong ba ki blasha khot sakane ka lempung ki bakun thop yu ba Edi Kharbani uba Dipol Rentathiang uba Niki Kharthangmau uba Lansios Emle bat ki wei de ki rirong ba bat ki long keme ki balong ki khna school ki barim jong kane ka school kumban shupun kan mau lengkon ya kane ka school lasang ningkong house nam khat khandai spa andre powei do Reverend Father Michael Balawan ubala bam kwai hadwaru play but hadin kattu katnis nem ka jingkhlatno jong Reverend Father Michael Balawan la shimti bat panyai je kane ka school daki wei pat kilingdo soble but kumta terter hakite kipor kane ka school kaladang kiu bat kaladang ya shaprang nakipor shakipor but deitat dadu usnam ar hajar nyo lawan pat ban shimti bat ban panyai je kane ka school do Reverend Father Tobias Kharngap kenta tat hadu menta kane ka school kala nang kiu habai dei bat kapule kaputhi bat shibun ki riu he ki ruhain bat ki riu khrau ki lami na kane ka school ha kane ka school la donru kumba hadu saujai ki jing ai jingnang jingtem ki ba kanthop ya ka arts commerce science bat ki vocational training ki ba pher ha kane ka sngi la panko burom ru yu samla pule barim jong kane ka school usamla ariston rendong sngi ubalalong kum uwei na kinong wat bnia jong ki do penat ubala paunam hakari baraka perthei hi baro ka wei kum unong shem ubaningkong ya ujai do baphala ya ubala ai kerteng channa aristone hagani ka sngi la penlai pai ba ru do MLA bat MDC jong ka umsning constituency ya ka almanak jong ka school jong usnam arjar afwei.
I am extremely honored to share with you about the journey of 60 years undertaken by St. Michael's Higher Secondary School, Umsning. To begin with, St. Michael was founded by late Reverend Father Balawan SDB. It is established on 12 February 1961. Hadir kejiwan dari sister RNDM napo St. Mary's Shalom laiti berpenyai ya ke school pada sister Mother John Bosco, sister M. Eligi, but sister Pius Balawang Kwai Adwa Rublay. Ilalong kilayon balapay kingkong ya ke school da kabasuan asin na Shalom aga sitayo. House nem kapaspa kapulai, lakin tiwi ka school siya high school, but house nem kapaspa kapulreo lapa ya ka penbun jogi kina banikong lakin ka school, balik tho ya ka class 10 high school living certificate examination jong Meghalaya Board of School Education. But along ka Burom ka Burom, how things nem baru dikena kelapas aga second and third division. Kalau simpor satang kumba simpor sedang, ya ke school bukan yo ya ke higher secondary arts and vocational stream. House nem sepak nem usau. Agakau Reverend Father Crescent Hongwell, ulabat kumusketri jong ke school managing committee, but ya ke science stream, layo part house nem kakendai sepak naik pemriu. Agakau Reverend Father Edwin Kahir, walau berdamlong Musketri SNC, House nem Hajar Kendai, Haga Jimprat Inti, Reverend Father Tobias, Hangat Menta, Batu Balatit Menta, Kumka Balawan College. The school Kelarke, Yaga Golden Jubilee House nem Hajar Katway, Batu Jing Sedang, Yaga Commerce Stream, aga plus 2 level aga jalam linti Jong 11 Father Tobias karna punta.
Kesyukuran kalian Jongaru menurut Islam ida sukuman kumagani geski aga bangungi niyo punya lumang dekat berkuskul aga bangungi kuah bang Plie ya gini geski Jong gini ke Jing dap Andrew Postam gini ke Diamond Jubilee Jing dan orangnya balada day betri sarkar ne kam sarkari ite rupus nam adi kan skam jarno ban shushokho day gede school patte kadang day ban koru ban ibha ban banang kimilan ki shushu ke pat di banang khamha day kan rupo ina habi kimilan ki mat nyo pusan snam kaplatinum ru lani what Iaka hispasinam ke centenary mga batugan ni terangin mengedan yang ni syukur yang dia Jing kelak junong ru Hendrai sinistai ni lah apanya lecong kopi dia Hendrai pat kedai Jing island ki di school itu kebedan benda ikut pembukir ba tinggal berbuat di Jing kerman bat bakin nangya Syuprang hubungan ke lembaga Jing Syukri Jong ini ke school lembaga put le dan le kini ke dong betan bantu be Jing Syai ban ke Jing Syai perbor ham aku ban kelkiu ban Syukri ru ya ki hubungan ke balang agni benta kumbangi tip ba kuliah kecil kedai beton kam ini nak benta kejela Jing ke Liu Jing ikut dikiti Jong kilong yang kelusan Jing hidup.
Kumakatin ko cherish the past, change today to overcome the challenge of tomorrow. Nasong tusyay, kani kaduli kamtam but the quality education. You don't come that impart, but I the quality education shakire. The kajing is not tilang, kajing ya. Shimla, the suggestion, the motivation, the advice, about kaleng, kabagi shim, the kabagi Plie Jing Wurta, 7%. Iaka, Kajinya, Trela, Mokopi Harai, unity is strength, the Jia Trela, Kalokamba, the Jia Trela, Kawara, so the Jing Job. The next hem, the Jia Trela, the Jong way, Nakalokaba hair, the Nakalokaba, Nakalokaba, for and it's him. But he is in private school, get Burom. That's all but what I got the advice come down to school. Or that many people he kind of sham position in the town. I don't know, had a college about my own class 11 12. Banga share experience about my yes, you don't have a joke. Kabateng teng lima do Jing tuju. Teng suggestion ki advice bagi yo. Kerja penduduk Malaysia ini. Masuk berkerpa di kelas school. Ke bagi dia mentari mapi benda ikan nam di St.Michael'S school. Kini kita di Jubilee. Kami kita sacrifice kita kita hijab kita ada the best of the best. Andrei shop happy puluh benda ikan nam. Ni kilo ni kayu enteng. Nada ni the best of the best. Ada people yang kompan kami save, long leda ini. Mapi benda ikan nam di school, pi benda ikan nam di klinik club, pi benda ikan nam Jong kilo hitai. Tapi kilo hitai berbuat kilo klinik club Jong ini. Ada kena school kilo apa? Ni risu tanah. Teng dari Jong Priu, kijo Allah kajiya ada bos kau di kedua ada di bawah. Mahu tapi, mahu toy tapi, dam tapi. Kata mesti yang dilibat penduduk, I mesti yang dilibat I. Kata Jing kata giring lah, boleh lah. Ngasmo, kalau yakin, ni rukun kita nikmat, ni dan the challenges nikmat, ni dan kata aim, commission, but provision. Ni dan hari di LLU haringkat, yesa orang netre, man Islam man kita. Commission ke demi. Commission ke jumi even kefir ya karai apa baman idong man ikan man isno in pernah. Idong lu kata ada jimba di orang tak isno kitau self-help group Iaka dan tak school kisem sidang kirangli di Jubilee perkunta ter kini dah bukan mesti bagian tiap khatam ya kejingan kejista ini tep kan kejingan kejista kamu tahu kaspa kamu tahu ada yang dah kejingan kejista kabanila bagai yang syuai kerpa yang macam komiti lalu di nong shong di orang ba lalu di nong ikai dia training di ai mut bingway in ai mesir in untuk mesir wajib ini syakmat itu syakmat abadan kerumu kejin kebatia keru sehingga kami di long ikmat dan get namba in tray in be syakatong kumbati di long shok kita berang kami pelajar ini nyiru ida kaliban kashan ini kami ini semua parti yang sudah bergerak hendak bersusi kalau mat ceng abatrai kebabahan dan diberi bersurat petang Siapa sobat kami kiri I bersih I tahu diri I bersih roh ni ni badan terus berjim bakal kami pergi kakta ini I berjim I jimun asal kan berjim terima kamera ini sok berjim kami St. Michael perayaan 100% Jing Jing Kenjo my father Fatima it's all through learning that we can overcome obstacles in life. Tentang kita yaktian kita dia sobat kepo ketnya dia pilih kita dalam kami kejaga lalu father Tobias lalu father sister Sashifa kinong hikai ketang kenasul managing committee sobat ayah Burom keperau yang kita tadi ala pekerjaan di school dia kerja kreasi tu kerja kerja dan Jubilee pleasure.
Okay, thank you once again. The friends present here on the dais, father, mother, sister, and all the teachers that are there. A. Makulau, the chairman of town, everyone that is present in front of me, all my friends from the media as well. And once again, a big congratulations to St. Michael on achieving a new high line, on being a big part, or playing a big part in a big contribution to the society in every aspect. And I'm sure St. Michael is not about to impart knowledge to just the students. I am sure they're looking at students who are going to be successful in every aspect in life. A successful student, then only we can have people who can work with the community, who can build a new community, who can build a new nation, a new state in every aspect. And if we're looking at the theme, cherish the past, change today to overcome the challenge of tomorrow. If I have to tell you, there's a Chinese philosopher, you would have remembered, if people who are very aware of the Chinese history, his name is Lao Tzu. He says that if you're depressed, it's because you're living in the past. If you're anxious, you're living in the future. But if you're at peace, you're living in the present. So great minds and things, great ideas happens only when you're at peace. No doubt, we look at the past, we look yesterday, whatever the experience we have got, whatever we're going through, we need to analyze. We need to be critical to ourselves. Every individual has to be critical. When we're critical to one another, then only you can take out that ideas and become a better self tomorrow. That is what we need. If all the students that are here, analyze, be critical among yourself. And the most important thing for all the students that are here, Arusun is the best example right now. He said he has failed in life in various aspects. I said, I haven't failed. It's because the path that you wanted, you tried A, it didn't happen, you tried B, it didn't happen. And then at the end, something that you have passion, without giving up, you're dedicated. And now, you're just not known here, the whole world knows. The whole knows about you. The species that you have identified. Now the whole world will know about the species that is based on your name. There is something that we should acknowledge, something that we should praise. That our students And our people from this district have gone ahead in various. And I was just going to say, all the students that are here, yes, we do have exams. Sometimes we wait for when a result will come out, thinking that how we have well done or how fair we have done in an exam. Yes, examination also is a definition, but being a better human being defines the society in a better way. That is what we need. So I am sure everyone that is here, you might have doubts on yourself. You might say, I want to do this, but I'm not sure of doing. Don't be in that way. Follow the direction of being hardworking, a dedicated person, then you will achieve. If you have any doubt, I am sure you have the senior members at home, or you have your teachers, or you have someone from the society who you can approach. If you can approach, they can guide you in various ways. Because knowledge, education in this century, this 21st century, it is a tool to fight. Not street fight, it's a tool to fight. Education is a tool to fight. Because there's another saying, it's a Chinese proverb, very favorite Chinese proverb. It says it's better to be a warrior in a garden than a gardener in a war. That is something that should motivate. We should fight. And everyone that is here, this is a small message I want to put across to everyone. As a leader, as a local representative, we try to do the best of the best. We want to work hand in hand, whether with the community, whether with the school, whether with the college. We will be next to you, we will be close to you, and we will try to improve the best possible way in every aspect of the country, in every aspect of the district, as well as especially the state. Especially say, I could economic people fighting better than me. Could you go to Plie and Galak and keep on getting up on the Paisi? The number program about job lupa. The Jubilee in the post, the Jing and the Jong P. Come take a book, the Jing and the Jong P. Pila bone, the Jing air, the Jing soap. But they are P company no A. You know, do you have second in the school of the woman Shua, having the brother of the day that the Jing and the speak among the Jammer people, never say about peace. You talk about the Jing of the time, whom no one can tell you can keep on some that the day Hagan bentana di bentana juga yok kot bentana juga kulipuki na kan lo ko bentana pia trailer but the leader jing trade dong hibor pat na ro ka shlong ka thau kan si bor ko kinong mi kwat bor pat di badan lu shwa di bo bentana kinong hikai di father bor ko di badan hane nang betai le ka kam ko bha ni nang ye betai le nang ye trade bha nang ne shkwat ni sanang ni kan do ni sanang ye shan ni salam ya le ite babha ka bhatan ta ni ka susi bor ko le ka liang jong ma di ta hi da jing tran ni pat hadani ka no paisi kudeshi bol sa se no ki aya na ka ni ta ka bakha kudeshi da ko ruble na ko kui pi baro
St.Michael, lead us, guide us every day. St.Michael, you're the light that never fades. Yes, excellence.